Oja fire for fire live Adum TV and our Oshe Jumedi no so no www.adumonline.com Oshe live on YouTube Adum TV fire for fire Asempa 94.7 FM Asempa 94.7 FM headquarters of Ghana Sports your headquarters of Ghana Sports NFA Asida FM was second takrade Asida 105.9 FM was second takrade fire for fire Salt FM was Asante Achim Agogo Otiase shoni ye kan said ye tie ye nyi bin frimo ene ye mfa bin ka ho no kra no ene ese ebedi ama Ghana Sports Ghana football etime enye susanso papa fire for fire na dia no pepi etro no ano otene ye kan wasem de kiro ye bo dawura no pa ye kan na wia ye kan na nwumre e wa Adum TV e wa Sempa FM se covid no enkoye pepi etro no ano ose use nose mask no nose mask no said ya me de sheme no sa na ese wo she nose mask use hand sanitizer no isi aso mo ton hand sanitizer no kra de eso ate isi obi an fa sanitizer ne nya hwe wash wonsa yi fansuo ene semina fa wo horo wonsa kama na pepa enti de bia no wa make sure say nose mask no na show kama na bibia detecting fire for fire live e Adum TV so ena sabre wo hwe dwumedie no and then so you be crossover na ya cross straight to UK na Patrick Osei Ajiman countryman songo Eddie Remo on commentary position Coach CK Akuno enemu squad no Coach CK Akuno ene makachiro woni encentrefo nhiem no all about Black Stars of Ghana all about the Black Stars of Ghana match said dom onim World Cup qualifiers a day anima enche na Black Stars akwakopo kwantuo foforo ena omo be hyase no esie di nukra ewo mu esie di nukra ewo Black Star selection mu esie hu se player Coach CK Akuno afreno no we deserve so bebo Black Stars currently our form or a player we gina ne nanso or a player obetimi akune ho abode am o man no ama Ghana etimi qualify or a player obetimi awo team ne mu ama team aye prepare e de akwaje AFCON no ebetimi akona nim commentary position enye time ye de matra makwe enye time for a try and error enye time over try players no I say player no ni more and as woni more enye international break international breaker afei na obetry players by this time CK Akuno you should know all your players ese who players are samre wuton safra wom enye player afei no opa abese team no mo assign abe tese afei na obetry no try and error no ye twem ho because AFCON no e close and I say Ghana yeji AFCON ne de baby adro no e very close na ese Ghana yetime je AFCON no ese yetime ko wini enye finals ne ye pako enye third place ne ye kobo ye qualify for group stage ya nya the Black Stars no ne dia ne se okwa AFCON no wakwaji AFCON no dia pa na crew na bedro manmu na wiase nyina hu sampa after 30 years over 30 years no afeni yenso akwaji bi dia ba fire for fire when the best selection no CK Akuno etino eso ma Ghana fo nyina hu se criteria na what they select players no dead perfect criteria no krem etino kra enye sunsuaso pa e Black Stars team ne so Elohim Treatment Center that dia no said it be call Elohim Treatment Center Dr. Apetinego sunsumu yade what in the te atu ase de amao honam yade di ade ben ene nei eno so etete wo yade ben ene aye kwanko eda so fire for fire more fire David Ando King David more fire for fire and then Friday enti wo sha no wa she ni ye kama no wa ma eho ate memfa fin enkeka ho se wa she ne senti no wa she ye nuamo no mo sha mo mfa fin enkeka ho omo she ni in a professional way. Dr. Abednego ewo Elohim Treatment Center. Dr. Abednego Ocha say Dr. Abednego Elohim Treatment Center atim kede ena omuwo bibia ditetin ewo honom okohwa yade no me sese de tie bia no omo sade amao yanyiska ewo Elohim okohwa consulting fee no yanyuska okohwa woye free massaging edi amao woye free massaging edi amao Otia se enti eye enuro na wodi ama se fa kofie na konom no ahaban na wakotete edi apa no no huska na betua enti Elohim de obia timi ko obi wo scout timi ko uni scout timi ko de hia ne se yade no Dr. Abednego watu ase de ama o e watim kede odu abisa se odi asia akrakra na bisa se mepe Dr. Abednego atise na watwe wie yenso ena eye honorable Abrewaba yesie no ewo eye subi enti ebusuafo ni nyina no ye mo yakọ atem kadefo minim se mo bekọ akọta akire ama na efe kama pa otiase obia bekọ akọta akire ama no so atime aye kama honorable Abrewaba na me fa ne kra ensie me dofo classic boutique special wanwaso boutique bakwa Ghana hayajiatum no me dofo classic boutique weekend never kama okobe be a confidence no ebeba because what dress kama me dofo classic boutique ho na ese ukọ na entade papa jeans papa omde apa no onso atimi akoyi bi kuntunsi satellite na se wo na be hu me dofo classic boutique afi se bia stroke ena abubu wabusuani bi agudam me se we oya specialist stroke hypertension diabetes infertility ocha se me show sexual weakness intiri heba ho na ese wukọ intiri heba ewo ensawam kwane so ho na intiri heba wo mapom ho adwa Mesho bomodi ada ensawam adeso eho na obehu intiri heba wo mu asoye no 0243 522 595 tie no mani biem 0243 522 795 0243 522 795 na se eye intiri heba na onuom edi ensawso no now yanko commentary position fire for fire and then Friday fire Friday bebia wo sebia no this is your show fire for fire on #1 sports and show television and radio live on Asempa 94.7 medini Kobe Stone okuman kra pa ko amaka ensuroja adura enyono numru 1 kachire sike akono busa sike akono se selection na Black Stars omo di apa no the right selection and what they be popo na sa Black Stars team na wafre no the call up na isia no epa no bisa se the right call up e betimi apoa ama te se no yakwa afcon akwaje yebo qualifiers no enwu sampa results and yebo o cha se representing the best of men ye wana call up no bisase representing the best ye wo e wo man yimu ana the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana etiebe crossover na ne yakọ UK more fire na say in a professional way onso beba homa so at the right time Siki akuno ene wadi nchemu kakrapa Ediafa Black Stars call up no ho. Live on Adum TV so Asempa 94.7 Asida FM was secondly takrade more fire me CK Akuno.
Sometimes maybe you might not understand. Somebody like Barnier, you will see him as a striker. Barnier can play a whole lot of positions, and so I don't play them out of position. Barnier can be a midfielder, number 8. He could be a 10, a second striker, which he's doing with Hearts of Oak, and so it depends on how you see it. Listen, we played Qatar. We scored 5 goals with the same squad of players. Okay, it's the way we play. Sometimes how the opponents will approach the game. But we will score goals. Trust me, we will score goals, and we will try to be creative, and that is what we're looking forward to. Those who are not here, especially you talk of the local players, they are not here because they're not good. But at this point of time, these are the players I want to go with. And of course, with the AFCON, I expect nothing. Anything that comes, we should be able to deal with it, and so we will be ready for any other group that will come.
Oja, fire for fire, CK Akuno na ekasa no. Ebesa bo echire biem, CK Akuno na ekasa no. Osi players no, womu wa ha because no e na afre wom. Womu wa ha because no e na hia wom. CK Akuno e na fire no in a professional way. E won a call up pass say why no. CK Akuno, Charles Kobina Akuno head coach. Edema the Black Stars of Ghana. One David Duncan, the assistant coach. And said the Penifua can debut almost say, we saw the coach there. It means say, and Penifua dear chile, one more Matanino, Ajatum, and a display sapa. But CK Akuno, Unaya head coach. Una Okita team no, Una Black Stars near their sounds, certain team no, for team no, for poor matches no. And say, Koya, if you will. Anko ye a efriwo makachiro say ye nimre dey be try players ye be try and error ye nimre emre ni hosa babisa CK Akuno say players na what on from no womo any the best ye wo on betimi our presenting nation na that is the question. Black Stars call up no womo any the best ye wo na Monko nonko ye mistake biya. Enye time a wobekọ no asabe explain biem. Monko nombe onko ye mistake biya. CK Akuno katire CK Akuno say enye time a esu wokọ no ko ye try and error. Esa se bebia national team na do no matches na aka no bebia ye chance here upper World Cup qualifies. We have to qualify at all costs. Ese qualify. Ese ko AFCON na yete Yajikru and deba. At all costs, I see a call near Quajikru and near deba. Some fire CK Akuno bium. Magana Fonte CK, Ninchima or the Ebano. More fire.
Sometimes maybe you might not understand. Somebody like Barnier, you will see him as a striker. Barnier can play a whole lot of positions, and so I don't play them out of position. Barnier can be a midfielder. Number 8, he could be a 10, a second striker, which he's doing with Hearts of Oak, and so it depends on how you see it. Listen, we played Qatar, we scored 5 goals with the same squad of players, okay? It's the way we play, sometimes how the opponents will approach the game, but we will score goals, trust me, we will score goals, and we will try to be creative, and that's what we're looking forward to. Those who are not here, especially you talk of the local players, they are not here because they're not good. But at this point of time, these are the players I want to go with. And of course, with the AFCON, I expect nothing. Anything that comes, we should be able to deal with it. And so we will be ready for any other.
Oja, fire for fire. CK Akuno na true fire no in a professional way. Was the players now any hono? Omu ni ho because omu nye good.
I don't play them out of position. Barnier can be.
Ocha say nye se bi omu nye good. Nemum at this very moment the players are here. E dey aye adwuma no e na wa frɛ wom no. CK na ekasa no. CK na wa bie nanum e cheche mu sa no. Ocha say enti yeso de ye ka ne say enye time e dey mistake.
But we will score goals. Trust me.
say woman sa selection where your selection no criteria no it must be clearly defined. Say usampa what defining the year selection na why no say who say why ye year why you should year ama Ghana fo nyina koma to mo yam ye ni excuse biase anje afcon no ye ni excuse biase be qualify to a World Cup no ye ni excuse bia we have to qualify. And until na mukotro mampani anim na mukotwa sika bo mukotwa sika kase sa edito so say we na betimi ama mo qualify we na betimi ama yaje afcon no 25 million and uni sika mukotwa ye etino you have no excuse. More fire yanko UK Patrick Osajiman countryman songo yanko commentary position ne yan fire flow na fear ba on so be ba homa so in a professional way. Oba fire na yakoyanim more fire fantastic fireman
more fire more fire ojani ne
bibia titem wo UK more fire
bibia fine say my ba be pie mo house day Mano Park Road no Eichster barbering shop fantastic place to be, yeah, the Eichmann fantastic fantastic. I think I'm the commentary position. No, me di best shema mao. And the weather no see fantastic. The dear costume.
More fire.
It's more fire.
More fire.
Ojano so abede.
Obepa.
Mama Shatawale ni fireman.
Fireman ni Shatawale ni. More fire.
Fire for fire. More fire.
Shatawale ni fireman ni fire for fire.
Me say boom boom boom, no we about to say well. Me say boom boom boom, no let me hear say well.
Oja, more fire. Fireman you.
Fantastic. Commentary position. Blasters coach CK Akono. Medical fire. Medical Aka. Namakoswa de Aka. Say won the best. World Cup near Persia qualify. Near to meet our Kobium. Into coach, you know, you pursue the best of players. Or no one get some free players. Our fees for me are good. Not on you so no one to me qualify Ghana and the World Cup. But a camera the coach, you know, so monka. Say you keep the coach, you know, on his toes. As a nation, a person coach, Siki Akono qualify near World Cup. No, you the coach in 8 months. You had in 10 months. Your friend is to maybe 2 months. A chef, and you're correct. We need to pay the coach. The coach in the canning in 3 whole year. Yan didn't cap him or any technical staff. And no sano a Juma Yaman or better than a wire. Yes, Patin is so better near call Afcon. Akobon Umodiaji. Yes, Patin is so better near World Cup qualify. So obet media World Cup. Nasia the coach in 8 months. Yen tia coach in on my Japadia Blasters. Head coach. Ye nimse head coach here, Blasters here. We a coach. What is the president of the land? What is the sports ministers? And I say, what is the ministers? What I say? What is the parliamentarians? Who you are my Jumo? One now coaching on mine on national team. Nina. See how what now? What the players are one free woman. On the move without question. I then one free player away. I then one free player away. What bet me I say? And if you move without questions. Now then, a moon teaming country Ghana buying any sports minister. And he said, a shame say over on my national team coach 10 months. Now a friend said, 1 bedroom 2 months. This is nonsense. What you say? Never been a coach in it to me, Mano. Never been a coach in it to me. I deliver the amount of my Ghana. It is our nonsense. We must stop. You can't all Blasters coach. Blasters coach or this a president of Ghana. Blasters coach or this a minister. Blasters coach or this a parliamentarians. Blasters coach or this a speaker of parliament. Because Osumbo, one in our mining in Iran is so dear, your Blasters and never call African Cup, Afcon. No accompany whom the Ajamo money and Yaji. One in our mining in Iran so about qualifying. Oh, World Cup. No man, I call World Cup near Dino, Ghana, no, a quite Nimuna, Nidiaba. Now, quote in Yajuma, now then the Kana Untianaka. Nonsense, total nonsense. Nyansa Samubiani, they should pay the coach one in the technical team no woman to omuka any pass omu di omuka biom then coach in the selection no dia bana ye nyina ye di ho abobo no say player we ya say player we nya no for now was it these are the players already my fire I can't hear the professional say coach yeta wachi but say we are nonsense I be fire and make sure say my interference behind your day and my human officials so called football people for woman solia and squad you know what the bar you be can watch them you know follow the squad in na you recommend the players at the man Blasters coach you know I am believing that this squad selection where you know I am believing that CK Akona na kasa na why the selection and I say what friend squad because this is the dangerous moment. Obese World Cup qualifiers here. Our first match is very important. Our first match, our World Cup qualifiers, is very important. And I'm believing that CK Akona, these players, able to me either live up to expectation. Players will move to me a Gumano, Eddie Amagana, Amagana, to me either Eddie and Kunim because World Cup in Yako Biache, Yapesiako, Eti CK Akona. As much as we are keeping the leaders on their toes to make sure that they do the right thing. Next, one bet me a supporter, and will be a supporter. No technical team, making sure that selection to the national team. Interference. When a soldier amount, when a sifa no, it is not there. Call the players yourself. Players are from making sure that they can do their job, they will deliver. Because Ghana need be out here. No man is Ghana, Ghana, who coach no, who fire, professional, and idiot. Ejano, Yabamana show papa professional. Etiata wachi, but make sure says our squad way. These are the men who can deliver. We move to my Gumano, Ama Blasters, Yasha World Cup qualifier last year. You bet me your first win. Near Musa, we are on our way. You see a Sako World Cup view. Let us all keep Kosiki Akono, one in the technical team, on their toes in a professional way. But as much as we are keeping the coach on his toes, making sure that Obesa catch the sports minister, GFA president, any president, Nana Donankasa, sir, Womuntia coach in every hall, President Yakufuadu Yaneneka, sports minister Yaneneka, FA president Yaneneka. Moreover, Womo Epe, $25 million. Ediama Blasters, also Muse, the Bibia Blasters, Ebeko Yeno, Ejina coach, so, the coach, and you were equipped. Yan so coach in Muya, and Yadia, you bet me our results in the if we want the results, also making sure the coach, as much as we are keeping him on his toes, we are man in the BPR, what's up at Ayan then the Kawasika because woman pay for no Tikuromono, you knew Omoka, Otas, Omogia, Omala once in now, a cast in the name of sir, me a minister, me a one wine, fire, pen them all, more fire. Mema Ghana Libya fire 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 0302211704 more fire heaven insecticide spray more fire kum tum tum me Dofo classic boutique kum tum satellite fantastic Elohim treatment center udu kedea Dr. Abednego obesa we come big boss energy drink energy drink energize big box energy drink nana pa mackerel Jesus Christ for bola soup no pepper soup esa enamwe esun efie so na pa mackerel fireman Patrick Pasajima you can call me countryman Songo I run the show we run the show showing to me run here this is fire for fire commentary position Ghana ni biama stop mobia 30 seconds and then mobia 1 minute 30 seconds mobia 30 seconds no be on fire life o fire say ko siki akono o make it yourself squad no o move ball pa o move bet me qualify Ghana no now we catch that Ghana sports minister any kind of play kumu any Ghana boy say Blasters coach na dey kanu o mu tia kanin na fi yo no
oja me yakwe anim man twempena fire na enti o Ghana 40 o man twempena man twempena be we stime tawa ahoma no so
Menuya, Mesomo, Osum. Menuya, Kaka, Mecanic, Menuya, Mummy, so never be sure Ghana. Who says, for money woman, made them a cast of man of my tea. Mummy, if I can, she can't come for shop like that. I'm a woman, Master Ghana woman, need for being composition for you. Master said, you want brab, you want the shine. Blessed still shoot and take 10 of your more. As motion, and some for she can send for more. What brab what you crash every let's go.
Oja me yanku yanim ajana one fire ne ntio Ghana fotio said you be hwe no mo so mu yie man wa me sro e wo inside wo me sro pa ne yanku yanim 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 and 0302211704 mo mo hwe no mo transfer course ne mbra fire for fire emre ni ho Otiase Songo afire from a UK commentary position. It will so bad no fire in a professional way. Come now fire into you, more fire.
Dear, fire more can I try some fire? I say last time they did actually. Any idea come so. As I say, phone is DJ. And I'm not finding me to go park and go sport to me. At the money phone as I'm much in the Akumaso. As fire band them.
Asemu champion transfer ne bra ne yanko yanim why 81 wa o mane so no 0302211701 and 0302211702 0302211703 and 0302211704 more fire for fire Elohim Treatment Center Dr. Apetinego Nane afire ne enti o more fire.
Okumankra.
Chale, omuti wo sa.
Papa Yankupo nchira opa. Na de iki akono ne se aduma no. Oso obetimi aye. Anu ntine ye de ache ne nsa. Ye mpe excuse bia. And on play players are omubetimi abobo no. Ami akoye ni. Ye mpe ochina na see what aduma no ni betimi aye ntine ye de ache ne nsa. Nti omo mo ne so be deliver. Ni 24 so ni 6 Omuntua manwa omomodin se ombetua skama cause bible class with my nidia and the katua aden onipa be ya adwuma no muntua neka the stram 24 no ya mpase sike akọ no baba be ma excuse bia nti omuntua neka sene be ya obetumi ade ne ma tutu ya ma bia so yokomanka ni ya
oja fire for fire Ghana for na fire no obia wa adwenkyere nti obia wa konya enso se fire for fire onso be kyere wa adwen opa homa no so anu apodin ne ekoyanim in a professional way. Fire for fire. What's my NTO? More fire.
Oh, come so. Yeah, that was she. That's my part. Where the over. We are going to be good here. Come so. The thing I go for the sports minister. I don't know where you papa. What I say? Because we see that no. Our friend is squad be. Our squad the front game. Be anymore. Also in the year, no China cap. Tell a bay of Boko Divide, Adiama, Ghana. Tell a bay idea for president, Nasumba, Abajono. It has Yamika.
More fire, Ghana for na fire in a professional way. Masola Gegene, a year, Dr. Sikasemwaha, it will have a honing fire, Momontanas near fire in a professional way. Which I say, I see a fire, I see a Susan Supa. I will show ne so. Na Ghana for you now, who say fire for fire in a professional way, next Friday. Yeah, fire. I say to me, Susan Supa. I will show ne so. Nana fire near you, Ghana for you, more fire.
Papa, they just in count. They are more every president. I get about so. They have done an arm was one of the years. Opening the best minister of sports there. That's a food, DK Akono. The Gianna Kaya, Yen Janica. I have black cat and other qualifier for workout. They are up for that with the cap now. Because yes, better of the Coba, Yen Janica into about Pata. Let me say, I have to tell you the one about I sit up on a jeep. I'm not fair to other film piano. I am fair there. Only one for someone on my Ghana. I mean the cap napper. And you have
Oja me yanku anim na yemfa Pentagon emfa wie Pentagon fire ne ntio more fire
Cobblestone Pentagon you are down for Pentagon me do do nkwa wo fe ma me nche do nkwa fo ni a
more fire
me nche no oduma papa wo bo ma Ghana ma ni a ko bi e be sele FD say Ghana football no you say last time ye japadi nti omo hwe na so omo ntimi nkono mkoji cap no o ye so omo kono mkoji cap no so omo mkoji cap na ye no mu obi kan ye be sere say sisi Ghana ye je cap ache na say wo coach ni nso say wo nso timi peke omo mu ni bo ye say wo be mu obi abekere wo de obe we intelligent nti ye be sere coach ni say on phone one players on between abobo no magana etia de akoje cap na ba na so obi be foul na say bia na say o be fan player e dey blow nti
Oja me yanku anim Zakaria more fire Zakaria fire Ghana 40 more fire Zakaria jana hihye no eyefa course ni ti wa mesro champion Dr. Skasem wa ono so de na dwenkyere beba fireman fire partner champion Dr. Skasem the whole Ghana obie ni wo nim tire yi echen doctor the whole Ghana one any Black Stars e kode bia one any Kofi Kinata mo artist no one wom nam oyi omutima wom circle no wo champion Dr. Skasem we a die hard Kumasi Asante Kotoko fan and afi Maxwell Agege 205 we a champion man one the reigning champion Accra House of Folk never say die until the bones are rotten. Okitakruwa mienu. And on the tidemwa. Unibi. Pashe coat kuntain. And now they yobo. Oja!
Say boom boom boom. No way about to say way.
Oja! Fire for fire. And then a Friday. Fire Friday. Medican ati wamao. Patrick Osei Ajiman. And I would say what the room commentary position. Ghana for to announce the Oma Drenchre. Ena abwa uramo midin ede Cobblestone okomankra paako amaka ensuroja adura enwono sabre ya yatnasi na se champion Dr. Skasem ewa hanom from Kumasi Asante Kotoko enche wono obeye president ede amakoles no otiase ena fe Masola Gege 205 ono the reigning champion guy and the ofafo timi fret to be Nana onkwaso na todwi agene so se beba wo so mani wona wa mama chi kruwa no eti no mo ha coach Robert Saki wo USA coach Robert Saki se se ekoso ase ye ntua ye national team coaches ne ka ene ye forgettive resource no e sanse ye mfa ye fun pan enhye aban eti ye momode se ye betua ye national team coaches no ye betua omoka Robert Saki messenger what they aba enono sanso ena Frank Chey ewo USA Mr. Frank Chey wono so ewo USA wo se no kratrodo ena moka ewo show no so no se CK Akono wototo no maye players aye wono ena aka se eno ena wafre wonimwe mu no betim dia aye adwuma enti wo ma endedi ewo ne nsa no adwuma no wo se owo she Black Stars well se ye ko AFCON no ye betimi akwaji apa na qualifies no so World Cup no yetimi edru akire enti Mr. Frank Chey ewo USA wono eno no so ode message we so abo awramo Mr. Solomon Mate enso ewo specialized esro ewo ajirenga no ofro so ase uko tobut no wono eho na Mr. Solomon Mate onso wo nawie onso wa bie dwumadi anima mutie bibia live o se o hwe dwumadi live ewo Adum TV etienka ewo Sempa 94.7 FM so weekend na ne yewura no eti ehyaase frɛ ne ya frɛ awie ya bia ukwaji wani a na wa ya hweye e de amai sanse ya kachiro bambo no ehia covid no yade still ewo honom otiase enti bomodin se ubeyusu nose mask na bibia nso awie peyo ewo honom Elohim Treatment Center Dr. Abednego yetene so a na yasode Dr. Abednego wo yo pabene Dr. mu Dr. Ankasa yade no se eye huhumu yade se ye hunamani yade no fakopie mu ewo achim kade eho na Dr. Abednego Elohim Treatment Center wo mu abom ho adwa wo mu behyew ama hoden no etime aba Medofo Classic Boutique ane boutique we no eye super Medofo Classic Boutique wote sɛ na medi ho adaseɛ dem a empaboa bi a wopɛ no wokɔ medɔfo classic boutique a ubenya bi elho jeans bi a wopɛ ɛhɔ nso ubenya bi enso elho ɛyɛ quality na ne boɔ no nso ɛwɔ form kama pa medɔfo classic boutique ɛwɔ ɛyɛ kuntunsi satellite ɛhɔ ɛna mo akira kwan enso ɛwɔ Mr Bismarck Amwakubuadu ono ho kani fantastic afternoon ɛna enko enfama chairman maso bibia fine bibia didem de bibia didem
ye wani die mu ntino bibia didem aye we say Sundays na no na we stadium
yeah say Sunday nkofo ebi mu ntimi nko stadium but we were there
ebi nu buy some ba ya against
but I'm fine
na ade ba kwa na emesin say tama penalties ne koso na afutu say ne de no na Minua Razak ne Lampard no mo boshire ayo ni ko bo say na na fe do ma moto botto na say yes
Marcel Agege
Kobe Stone
in fact nano party no person o kan kakra sama we kan mo the general say my friend the general simple penny if you penny whatever man the general if you penny na
Kobe me that say more fire nkoma St. Philip's Enterprise
okay
ye chia no
but St. there unipa obi a wanye kuru
address it come on
obi a wanye kuru
ya jebe wudiana
obi a wonye
wudiana
na St. Asha watade eze
jebe wudiana design isu dem
no St.
inu ana kasakra
St. Philip's Enterprise
em say we no share that man we be so man we be
and yes obo for kwali simitiane na
okay doctor say bibia fine
yankopo adaruma bibia eboko
bibia dedem
ye tinkoma ahode wom ne de ne de aseda ma twede ampo yankopo na edwuma ye nyina akosrebo ne facha ya ba ne de na kyese bibia dem ku papa
okay tima so ma mi tio na fe
mayema Nelly's phone happy birthday ye man happy birthday kese pra na kempo na god mi to ye chi omu nyina Kobe party na course no ma me mo majority shareholder Togbe Afede board chairman me mo na baso ne na na se oni ni board ni nyina na secretariat staff no na technical team no any playing board ni nyina ye be do mase because this season there ye sha ase na areho wom obeka say Kobe ye sha ase a ye ko car doma ye se Kobe the sensem na de sensem be bring abreak club no if you hold mobile na say players here to ma share team na nunya na say majority shareholder na Togbe Afede to ma free players no ma to party I dem emo wa show mo bo say week ya no on my account na be suma I hope say next Friday ni
na account na soon
and I make us I hope
Friday so
say na if you ada
man for the
week men dey
watch for the points this year
oh
a man for the kaka say dwana
say ya transfer atomo de anu ntina me boto gba fa so say sika no wa na na di no me de ho de na me dana se pa because Ghana hanum Kobe me ankasa me hu bi kakra e wo miam anim ye player ba ko ba me nche wadwo ni e bon komo Kobe o receive 2 calls that any Liberty ball 1-1 na e ba si age league no ye ni wa fa nkonko boy fa trophy ni po ma ye no na player na staff e receive calls man for start ebusa ni sika
se fans and omo ye
thank you it is sika na one fan to dra me de na bona bas na me dan na se mete na se pa nti eno an so call account ma
na my minti
na eden place ye ade esum bu sei na o ba be bo ma ba so a o se me de ko hye kukom na nya kukom se
so be se no obi ade ama no
o be se no mu den place Togbe boy ye nana obi anum ka ye nana Togbe boy obi anum
mu so peje
ana players no o ka say Emmanuel Netiba ha no se ka de o mo ka no o mo ka di agro
o be fa ye ka di agro a ye ti krom ha 0 ko sign contract enim de oje we ko sign na ne ka ne de wo samra na de
Kobe
but player a chewani monyam say na wo be dedi panyi wo beto onu mutuo e de akere wiase nyina ma supporters nyina akogina ba bi di abo mu samra ne de to mu ayi a wo say ko na ebe reflect wo masa wanyina na say na me an twaye ba kokwa
enye 0 ko sign contract wo ye century
ase folk mo ne ma no ese kan tete ne ma na mu gusu ye
Paris Saint-Germain kan tete ne ma na
enye
wo say Paris Saint-Germain as a club na kan sa tweet score
enye
eyen central for in the room and the babo nteme
enfa no nsiwa enfa no nsia NSK the squad naba
mo share ball 1 million ne
NSK the squad naba why explaining the reason why ofre wom maso ma minti you
Kobe me da say o share squad na CK akono de aba na de bia ma de da ba kwa me kan say head coach or no say players we na opel so de om kwa yesa adwuma na eda nanim wa friend ni squad no na se CK say players we na offer ma ye de ne ye hia free CK nchen oni ko David Duncan nchen ni say ye hia results 3 points en na Kobe ade ba ko so a say a technical team need show team ni say ya qualify for AFCON qualify series no mo some the prepared team no o bo qualify series ni na the prepared team for AFCON no and no necessary some the show team enya afa na CK ma be catch so kwa bo friendly match nti o be freeway o ba be freeway afa na prepared team now na bo friendly match no so the old bo qualification so the prepared team no na team need to be gina yi quality players aye wo no eno na wo se opel me e ka me kwa selection ma hu awakuom kra me nwanwa ma hu afutu e wo mu so e nwanwa because o hwe ye two midfielders a epra omantumi ama eye party Arsenal ena ayas player no could we say two players na me expect na me media minimi say sa two midfielders ya ama idea either afutu ene awaku ebetumo baba bishi awaku kra de no team nim kra de da nti ya me nwanwa say sa selection e baye awaku din eni but CK say
I wouldn't show a camp there
our camp for
Black Stars B
na me pacho Kotoko central defender Banye and then Ata omunya some Black Stars
okay
but they we omu
okay
yes it me am nwanwa say awaku eni we but CK say this squad we end up there kwakọ yaduma
praying there we mu no hia wo
yes it ye support na e man but you be sempanyfo no next month na metete say next month na one year ni ayentua technical team nika sese na yenua songu air fire no eyen guase say head coach and assistant coach omu ye aduma na next month September last year September you coaches ayentua mu kabim August ni e wo no it next month na one year ayentua coaches nika me be say me busa minister na say your coach Japan
so no yentua ne kana
na say your coach Japan so you depend ya me ne ma wo ho
okay
yentua ne kana I don't know who coaches ni sir.
Okay.
No mu ye nenye.
All right. My doctor Mrem Kaka. Doc Maminchi o.
That's it. I'm in chair Kempon Ice Gold Mineral Water. I'm in chair St. Phillips Enterprise. Now let's phone ne birthday baby obi a on your wife mu nyina ye rehim on no aduan papa mu dum fama on bibi an kon kampama. Kwabi edi kan CK Akono Ghana for ye ginidi ene edi dwumadi na hye ne nsase onye dwumadi no fama ye. But untimi nkomo obi adwuma wa bra untua ne ka. So when tu nipa no ka na se resource ama e dia so na wu gina e dia bo nipa no ko bi se ade we am de ma wo no se ne se wo ye no no anye 5 players na wa frɛ ne de ono na Ghana fo nyina de adwuma na hye ne nsa ono fi se players o betum no mo ye adwuma no aden wa frɛ no no ye nya ono nko coach Duncan so ka ho a wo mu nyina o mu ye adwuma so atia se e di sanko yi a wo mu nyina na e di blame no be den e be mo mu na de ya ne se ye ko fa abrofo coach ba krom ha no mo tukwa no agro na tale ba ko ne coach no they are saying edem hotel ya oda no oje ho tukan ni etua hotel ne ka na bosome so ne asa tua broni no susu ka ba bibini na woti krom ha wo ye adwuma no na ka tua de be ma no de na akoye buada enti sande ma na ekoso no esi just sande ma na bibifo esi respect ye ho because so go ka se bi na me de ye tua minister ka ye bia esese ye tua ne ka bia ye tua ne ka wo mu ti krom a wo mu je na de tu no ko ponte CK Akono ene ni team no na mo pese mo gwetu omuka ya no ane say na me it is Sunday man ya tete ni office agudie baba bi ade na kwa koduru no akoya ni brisam e best president na nado danko akufu ado on na sese Ghana fo nyina hwe nanim una oponte friends CK Akono GF no ponte a omu gya ho de man and monyam ba ompanyi beto nsa afra omu kuru ho no makogya ba ompanyi fie ne de beko me mete secret ha no ansa na mehu kuru agi se bia ye ba be ye bibia asa na enye support senya akonya akwa hwebi enti be se ade na da ho no ye ni brisa because me afa ni agroba akokra Ghana ha hwesika minister e de beto abonte se ye pede abo blast ahudwa o maka amobi antimi enti ade na ye pese ye ni na ye ko jisika botini e de abe no coach no da no what no jeje mu
me na nam ka se 25 million no kra no coach ni sika ajaja ye de betua no bosumi bia ne ade nyina kra ka de amoka na 25 million na se muntimi ntua coach na coach da nya sa 25 million
ade ba kwa re ho kra se doctor ade ba kwa re ho ne se head coach and assistant coach omuti omo mu fie o omuti ti omo mu fie
by first na ko fa bi ba mo ba bi kra mo
omuti omo mu fie na etini water bill ni land bill okwa be first no mu
na ye nti kroma no mu ka so ma han ba bia coach ni ade beda ese mata
ya tofu ankasa
ana mi kai na no lese omuti ho na omuti ho na omuti ho
enye ho na omuti
etini me ekoso no ese agudie ya toto ne ma jeje mu betefru ba bia ye betwetwe so ne aye ne ma kokwasa e ya beben a ne akopu sika boti bi wom ene mo no wa anya ne yesesi a adu ba bi ade na gisam ne akotwe sika kese se mo konam ko yese diska we ma na anya magisi ne ko yo preparation na say prepare team ni yema team ni jana na so e ma ni de day ni so say person koye no yetimi akwakoye ye trekro na ye ho kokko asa ne mo bi asa bi ansa pata aduba bi anka amafo ahihye kotu tukwa di team na chi na de hu hia say ye de hu hia no
boxer for the medal by
all right mejane sisi mesaba mabeje mo last words na fe ya source na mom ya show kase pa the big talent show enche kra na ise bibia edidem live ewadum tv enche ne de bro eti Don General you say oh enough now we too much in fact na wudi wa woda eti Don General ewo eye enough you say china nyame aduma enoma wo hihye de egu akwam for birthday no echina no enya de da from cranchi no happy birthday in advance enko enfama Don General or eye enough na say eye the big talent show baso ewadum tv live obia ebetime enya bi ahwe eno ehon komo akra no my wie maso de twatwo na fei memra onso
ye wie a ne ye ka che minister say omuntu ana mani mani ya no mo technical team ni fa omutim fine ahotoni anije enfanya adwuma because blaster baby ayedu ye nya cap
okay me da say
ye wie no so problem kuma say asande kotokompanifo ura Dr. Kwame Chei ene na na amponsa ene ma na ekoso no ye ni nye ho ene ma na ekoso no kotoko supporters ye ni nye ho ya na say ya kuko koso ni audio ni nye ma bi akuko koso no agenda audio this is a time say ye di kotoko ye players mu mbe boy ye team no enya sa de akuko koso no so ma Chei na de koso cap mu
me makacho kila mali patu beba enti ebi fantastic afternoon and that's Nkoma and afi Priscilla nso me da say same fantastic ene eye sound obi ohwe ye boy me din Kobe Stone okuma nkra pa kwa maka ensuroja adura enwono Sergio Manucho Mavis Amano the fire lady and afi writer amenyo oja